Let the fire fall. Let the fire fall. Turn out the Lord. My God is a consuming fire. Elroy, 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 Elroy is a consuming fire. Let the fire fall. Let the fire fall. Thy throne, O Lord. Thy throne, O Lord, is forever. The scepter of righteousness is the scepter of thy kingdom. Thou lovest righteousness and hated wickedness. Therefore, God, my God, has anointed me with the oil of gladness, 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 oil of gladness above my fellows, above my fellows. And the Lord said unto my Lord, sit down at my right hand until I make your enemies your footstool. The Lion of the tribe of Judah has prevailed. The Lion of the tribe of Judah has prevailed. Glory, fire, power, 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 glory, fire, fire, glory, fire, power. Somebody shall fire. Somebody shall fire. Somebody shall fire. Somebody turn the fire. Turn who has heard such a thing, who has seen such things. Shall the earth be made to bring forth in one day? Shall a nation be born at once as soon as Zion?